In this video, we will discuss everything you should know about getting Bluehost free domain name. Before starting, if you have not purchased your web hosting yet, then don't miss our exclusive offer, 67% off Bluehost web hosting. Is Bluehost domain free? Yes, Bluehost offers free domain registration for every new hosting account you buy. That means, whenever you buy a Bluehost hosting plan, free domain registration is included in it if you follow the necessary steps to get the free domain offer. If you have registered a domain with some other hosting company and want to switch to Bluehost, your domain name will be free for the first year. How to get Bluehost free domain name. When you sign up for a new hosting account with Bluehost, you will get a free domain registration offer. In this video, we will show you step-by-step process to get a free domain name from Bluehost. Step 1. Visit bluehost.com. Go to Bluehost official website. You will find several tabs at the topmost menu section. One of the tabs is Domains. Make sure you do not visit the Domains page because you will not get your Bluehost domain name for free on this page. Instead, click on the Hosting tab next to Domains. When you scroll through the hosting menu, you will see Bluehost offers 3 types of hosting plans. For most WordPress websites, shared hosting is the ideal option because it provides all the necessary features you need to get started. Step 2. Choose a shared web hosting plan. Note that Bluehost provides free domain only when you sign up with one of their hosting plans, not otherwise. Therefore, to get a Bluehost free domain name, you would need to select a preferred hosting plan. Bluehost offers 4 different shared hosting plans. Free domain for 1 year is available with all the plans. For most businesses, the basic plan is an ideal hosting solution. It allows you to host one website, 50 GB SSD storage, and 24/7 customer support. This plan is affordable and costs only $2.95 divided by month for a 36 months term. Following on our steps, proceed to choose a hosting plan and click Select. Step 3. Select a domain name. When you click on Select, you will be redirected to the page where you will have to create a domain name. Here, you will have 3 options. Create a new domain. If you already own a domain, mention it in the box Use a domain you own. You can also choose to create a domain later. Important note, if you do not register a domain name while buying the hosting account, you will not get the option of signing up for a Bluehost free domain name at a later point in time. Step 4. Create your Bluehost hosting account. The account creation process is straightforward and will take only a few minutes. You will have to fill out the form shown below with all the necessary information. Step 5. Select your preferred billing terms. In the next step, you will have to choose the billing term that is most suitable for your hosting needs and budget. Bluehost now offers 12 months and 36 months periods for web hosting plans. The price will vary depending on the term length you choose. However, Bluehost offers attractive discounts when you select the 36 monthly billing term. These rates are only applicable when you sign up for the first time. Bluehost Basic Shared Hosting Plan will renew at $7.99 divided by month. Step 6. Select add-ons and make payment. Bluehost accepts payment through credit card or PayPal. Once you make the payment and agree with their terms of service, your website hosting account will be set up and you will have a Bluehost free domain name for the first year. Important, make sure you uncheck all the add-ons boxes from the checkout page. Bluehost free domain for life. This is one of the common misconceptions that has been around for some time. To state the fact, Bluehost does not give a free domain for a lifetime with a hosting account. This offer is no longer available for any Bluehost account. Currently, they offer free domain only with the new hosting accounts for the first year. After the first year is completed, you will be charged for the domain as per Bluehost's standard rates. Note, if you are looking for cheaper domain rates, you can go for either Namesilo or Namecheap. Does Bluehost offer multiple free domains or just one? No, you will not. Regardless of the hosting plan you choose or the number of websites it supports, Bluehost offers only one free domain. So, if you host multiple websites, you will have only one domain for free and you will have to pay for the other domains according to the standard charges. How much is Bluehost domain after the first year? After the first year, standard domain name registration and renewal pricing will be applicable. The pricing will vary based on the top-level domain names you choose. All domain prices are applicable for 1 year. The domain pricing is mentioned below. Original top-level free domain names, the following registration and renewal fees will be applicable for all original TLDs that Bluehost offers. Country code top-level free domain names, if you are specifically looking for TLDs with country codes, the following domain pricing is applicable. Can you get a refund on a domain name from Bluehost? Domain renewal pricing is applicable for 12 months, after which it will automatically get renewed at the applicable price. Unfortunately, even if you want to cancel your domain with Bluehost, the renewal fees are non-refundable. Therefore, if you do not wish to keep the domain, make sure that you do not auto-renew your domain next year. So, you can continue using the domain for a minimum 12-month period and stop the auto-renewal just before the domain expires. Conclusion: Bluehost is a preferred choice for many for getting a free domain name. All you need to do is sign up for one of their website hosting plans and you will have your Bluehost free domain for the first year. The domain renewal prices are also quite cheap, considering that these are applicable for an entire year. There are other alternatives to get a free domain, like joining an affiliate program, using a free subdomain, or leveraging the ccTLD services. But we do not recommend using these alternatives, as these may be detrimental to your website in the long term. Do you have any questions? Feel free to ask us by leaving us a comment. Get this video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.